Today I'll show you how we make homemade ragu. My personal recipe from Italy. My mom and my grandma were used to do this. We will need for the recipe these ingredients: celery, carrots, yellow onion, extra virgin olive oil, salt, grounded beef, red wine, and tomato sauce. All the vegetables and cut in pieces to put them in the mixer, and we can chop them in tiny pieces. We can put all the vegetables in the same mixing bowl because we're going to do like a sofritto, so we don't need to keep them separated. Let's put a pot on a medium heat and put some extra virgin olive oil on the bottom, and we put the vegetables that we just chopped in the pot and cover and let them cook for a few minutes until the onion is blonde of color. Make sure that you stir once in a while so the sofrito doesn't stuck on the bottom of the pan. We add the ground beef and we mix it with the vegetables, and we cover again on a medium heat. It has to cook and has to become brown, okay? At this point we can add the red wine and let it cook for a few minutes until the smell of the wine went away. At this point we can add the tomato sauce. We stir, we reduce the heat to low and let cook for an hour and a half and cover. After an hour and a half, check the consistency, add the salt, keep it mixed. I personally choose penne pasta because it's my favorite type of pasta, but you can use the pasta that you prefer or the one that you have in the cabinet. Serve with some parmesan cheese on top and you will love it.